Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. Today I will teach you about Social Studies, Class 3, Revision Lessons, Lesson number 6 and 7. We already read about all these lessons. So, it's your revision lesson and the name of lesson 6 is our national identity. The citizens of Pakistan have their own national identity. We have our own flag. Islam is our state religion. Our national dress is shalwar kameez. Our national language is Urdu. You know as well. Another, we have many things in common with our fellow Pakistanis. We share the same history because our parents, grandparents, and great grandparents lived in this land and helped to make it a great country. We all eat similar food, have similar names, speak the same language, and use the same money. All these things give us a common identity. Our national identity makes us proud to be a Pakistanis. Okay, now look at your book, page number 20. Here you have given some questions, and the question number 1 is describe the Pakistani flag. Yes, you know very well. It is green and white and has a white crescent and star. The question number 2 is what things do most Pakistanis have in common? Tell me. Yes, I write here religion and dress. You can write another if you know. The third one is what language can you speak? I write here Urdu. If you can speak English language, you can write here English as well. The question number 4 is what language does Susan speak? Yes, Susan speak English language. And the question number 5 is what do you think are Susan's favorite foods? Yes, noodles. Okay, look at your book, page number 21. As you know very well that our national language is, yes, Urdu. Okay, here you have given exercise. Here is one line from our national anthem. Tell me one line from our national anthem. Yes, Pak, Sar, Zameen, Shat, Baat. The next one is our national dress is. Do you know which one is our national dress? Yes, our national dress is Shalwar Kameez. The next one is our state religion is Islam. Our currency is called rupee. And our national game is hockey. And we like to eat. What we like to eat? Yes, mango. Its taste is yummy. Okay, now move on the next lesson. Here you have given unit number 2, lesson 7. And its name is citizenship. For all to use. Your house is on a street. The people who live near your house are your neighbors. All the people living in one place from a community The community can be a village, a town, or a city. Some of these things are for all of us to use. They are called services. Okay? You share many things to each other. Here are some things you share with others. You can look in page number 22. Like school, hospital, street, park, footpaths, clinics, telephones, water, markets, etc. etc. Some of these things are for all of us to use. They are called services. Okay? Some like the air are free. Okay, we already read about private services and public services. Private services are those they are for someone, and public services are those they are for everyone. प्राइवेट सर्विसेज कौन सी सर्विसेज होती हैं? जो कुछ लोगों के लिए होती हैं, जो हर किसी के लिए नहीं होती. बट पब्लिक सर्विसेज कौन सी सर्विसेज होती हैं? दे आर फॉर एवरीवन, जो सबके लिए होती हैं. एंड द नेक्स्ट वन इज टैक्स. Okay. Every person in a community has to pay tax, as well. Every person in a community has to pay tax to the government. Tax is used by the government to provide services for everyone. Okay, you can look here on page number 23. Here you have given some questions, and question number 1 is, which of the services named in the lesson do you use? Here we read about private services and public services as well. So in private services we read parks. We already read about parks, markets, and telephones. And public services like public transport, hospital, and schools. And the next question is question number 2. How is a government chosen? We can choose government by voting or an election. The question number 3 is, what does the government do? The answer of this question is, government provides services to everyone and solve regional problems. क्या करती है गवर्नमेंट? हर किसी को सर्विसेज प्रोवाइड करती है और रीजनल प्रॉब्लम्स को सॉल्व करती है. The question number 4 is, what is our tax? How is it used? हम टैक्स के बारे में पढ़ चुके हैं, and you know very well, every person in a community has to pay tax, and it is used by the government to provide services for everyone. Okay, now move on the next page, page number 24. Here you have given exercise A, and the exercise A is, you do not have to pay for everything. Write free against such things. ओके, जिन चीजों के लिए आपको पे नहीं करना पड़ता उनके लिए आप क्या लिखेंगे? फ्री लिखेंगे. ठीक है. लेकिन जिन चीजों के लिए आपको पे करना पड़ता है उसके लिए आप क्या लिखेंगे? नॉट फ्री. लाइक अगर आप स्ट्रीट में वॉक कर रहे हो तो आपको उसकी पेमेंट करनी पड़ती है या आपको उसके पैसे देने पड़ते हैं? नो. तो आप क्या लिखेंगे? फ्री. लेकिन अगर आप मार्केट जाते हैं और आप वहां शॉप से कोई भी चीज बाय करते हैं तो क्या आप उसकी पेमेंट करते हैं? यस, ऑब्वियसली हमें मार्केट से कोई भी चीज फ्री में नहीं मिलती, हमें हर चीज के लिए पेमेंट करनी पड़ती है। तो जहाँ पे हम पेमेंट करेंगे, जहाँ पे हमें फ्री नहीं होता, वहाँ हम क्या लिखेंगे? नॉट फ्री। और जहाँ पे चीजें फ्री होंगी, वहाँ पे हम क्या लिखेंगे? इट्स फ्री। लाइक द फर्स्ट वन इज वॉकिंग ऑन अ स्ट्रीट। Tell me, walking on a street is a free service or not free? Yes, it's a free. The second one is studying in a school. Not free. आप स्कूल में पढ़ते हैं तो ऑब्वियसली आप उसके लिए पे करते हैं। कुछ स्कूल्स ऐसे भी होते हैं, लाइक गवर्नमेंट के स्कूल ऐसे होते हैं जिनके लिए उनको पे नहीं करना पड़ता, बट you read in a light school, so it's not free for you. And third one is buying something from a shop. It's a free service or not free? Yes, not free. The fourth one is breathing fresh air. It's a free or not free? Yes, free service. The fifth one is using a bus or a taxi. Free or not free? Yes, not free. आप कहीं पे भी जाते हैं, बाय बस जाते हैं या बाय टैक्सी जाते हैं, तो ऑब्वियसली आप उसको पेमेंट करते हैं। The sixth one is using water to wash clothes. It's a free or not free? Tell me. Yes, water is a natural resource, so it's a free service for us. The seventh one is seeing the doctor in a hospital. It's a free or not free? Yes, not free. The eighth one is drying clothes in the sun. अगर आप सूरज में कोई भी कपड़े डालते हैं ड्राई करने के लिए, तो क्या उसके लिए आपको पे करना पड़ता है? Yes, no, it's a free service for us. So now you have completed these lessons. Hope so you have fully enjoyed these lessons. Stay home, stay safe, and best of luck for your exam. Allah Hafiz.